Namibia's recent presidential election hailed as a historic moment, with the election of the country's first female leader, Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah, has been overshadowed by allegations of irregularities, logistical failures, and accusations of foreign interference. What should have been a celebration of democratic progress has turned into a contentious political storm. Sanavena mashoko vanhu vari kuti aiwa the first aiwa female president wemunyika yeNamibia aiwa uya nemaelection aiwa asati akamboitika pasi pezuva. Sanavena mashoko amudanyora panapa ndobva subscribe like out on the bell icon. Ndimuna amudanyora kuti the election initially scheduled for one day faced significant logistical challenges including widespread shortage of ballot papers and delays in delivery to key voting stations. These issues forced election officials to extend voting by an unprecedented 3 days, concluding only on Saturday instead of Wednesday. The decision to extend voting sparked outrage among opposition parties who labeled it unconstitutional and claimed it gave the ruling SWAPO party an unfair advantage. Opposition parties led by Penduleni Itula of the IPC have rejected the results, calling the election a flawed process. Itula, who secured 25% of the presidential vote, is vowed to challenge the results in court. He accused the Electoral Commission of Namibia of failing to address the logistical issues and of bias in favor of SWAPO. Ndo mashoko atona kuti aiwa kuNamibia vanhu voya vachidescribe this issue aiwa but vanozodwa maconclusion achiti aiwa that 25% yatakaona yemapresidential aiwa that is not our performance. Isu tinoziva kuti aiwa vanhu vanotida sei. Vasingatarisi that idea vanotaura vachiti aiwa this election yanga ine mairregularities akawanda anosanganisira kuextendewa aiwa kwemadhezi ekuvhota, anosanganisira mamissing ballots neforeign meddling. Mashoko atona kuti opposition muNamibia haisi kufara. Tudze mafungiro enyu kudonima musoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe, like, and on the bell icon.